This is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the gold standard of luxury sedans. Its timeless design and aerodynamic lines command pure presence. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter inline-six delivers 367 horsepower with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, accelerating to 100 in just 5 seconds with a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Inside, you're surrounded by Nappa leather, ambient lights, and first-class comfort. The latest MBUX system, with OLED screens and Burmester surround sound, redefines tech. With advanced safety, from digital light to autonomous assists, confidence is guaranteed. Priced at 8 crore PKR, the 2025 S-Class is more than a car. It's a statement of prestige.